Close your eyes for a second. Can you still smell the pages of a brand new school books or hear the loud ring of the final bell? Today we are going back in time. Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English listening lesson. Today we are going to travel back in the time to talk about school day. School is a place where we all have different memories. Some people loved it and some people hated it. Today I will share my story to help you practice your English airs. My day used to start very early because I had to catch the school bus. I remember the smell of fresh notebooks and the sound of school bell. I was quite a good student in English, but I struggled with mathematics. I remember sitting in the classroom looking at the board and feeling totally confused. But the best time was recess. My friends and I would sit under a large tree and share our lunch. We used to talk about what we wanted to be when we grew up. Looking back, I realize how much those years shaped me. It feels like it all happened just yesterday, but actually, it was a long time ago. Let's break down the English I used in my story. First, struggled, second, recess, and third, in the blink of an eye. Struggled. This means you find something very difficult. For me, it was math. What did you struggle with? Let me know in the comments. Recess. Recess is a North American term for break time. It's when students go outside to play. I also used a very common English idiom in the blink of an eye. Think about how fast you blink your eyes, it takes less than a second. When I say my school years passed in the blink of an eye, it means they felt very, very fast. We use this idiom to describe something that happens much quicker than we expected. For example, I turned around for 1 second and in the blink of an eye, my coffee was gone. Notice I said I used to catch the bus. We use used to for things that were true in the past but are not true now. I don't catch a bus today. Now let's test your listening. I have 3 questions on the board. Pause the video. Think about the answers and write them in the comments below. I will check every single one. Thank you for watching and practicing your English with me. If you enjoyed this story, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Bye.